Let's learn numbers. We will write numbers from 1 to number 20. The number 1. Number 1. The number 2. Number 2. The number 3. Number 3. The number 4. Number 4. The number 5. Number 5. The number 6. Number 6. The number 7. Number 7. The number 8. Number 8. The number 9. Number 9. The number 10. Number 10. The number 11. Number 11. The number 12. Number 12. The number 13. Number 13. The number 14. Number 14. The number 15. Number 15. The number 16. Number 16. The number 17. Number 17. The number 18. The number 18. Number 19. the number 19, number 20, number 20. Now, let's count our numbers from number 1 to number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you so much for watching Kids ABC TV. You can go to my channel for more educational video for kids. Please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for your support. Give us a like, leave us a comment, and remember, new educational video for kids are uploaded regularly. Thank you for your support.